Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with 3 prerequisites: an admin account, Windows 10 updates installed, and PowerShell open as administrator. Once done, locate Xbox Game Bar in Settings Apps or run getapps package to confirm its package name. This tells you what to remove. Make sure to close any game or app using the overlay first. Next, copy the uninstall command. You'll paste it into PowerShell and be ready to confirm prompts. This moves you immediately into the removal step. You now remove the app. In PowerShell paste, getapps package Microsoft. Xbox Gaming Overlay Remove Apps package. Hit enter and watch for errors. If you see access denied, confirm you ran PowerShell as administrator. Once completed, verify removal with getapps package and filter the Xbox Gaming Overlay package. There should be no result. Make sure to restart Explorer, EXE or reboot, because shell caching can make the overlay appear present even after uninstall. To reinstall, open Microsoft Store, search Xbox Game Bar and click Install. You can also use Add Apps package with a downloaded apps if needed. Once installed, enable the overlay in Settings Gaming and test with Win+G. If a feature is missing, go to Settings Apps Xbox Game Bar Advanced Options and click Reset. If reinstall still fails, run dism and sfc to repair system files, dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth, and sfc/scano, then reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.